Hello everyone, I'm Barrister Garn from Siam Center Law Group. Today, I'd like to explain an important legal principle in the law of evidence that many people may have heard of but do not fully understand, the doctrine of legal presumption under Section 84/1 of the Civil Procedure Code. This principle is far more than just a legal theory. It is a practical rule that can significantly influence the outcome of a case. Once the law allows a court to presume a particular fact, the burden of proof may immediately shift from one party to the other. That is why understanding legal presumptions is valuable not only for lawyers but also for business owners and the general public, as it helps identify what evidence is truly necessary and where the focus of a legal dispute is likely to be. Legal presumptions generally fall into two categories. The first is statutory presumptions, which are expressly provided by law. Some are conclusive presumptions, meaning they cannot be challenged, while most are rebuttable presumptions, allowing the opposing party to present evidence proving otherwise. For example, a person whose name appears on a land title deed is presumed to be the lawful owner, and a person who refuses to undergo a DNA test or a breath alcohol test may be presumed to support the allegations made by the opposing party. The second category is presumptions of fact, which are not specifically written into legislation, but arise from logic, common sense, and ordinary human experience. For instance, the owner of a bank account is generally presumed to own the money deposited in that account, and parents are naturally presumed to love and care for their children. In litigation, the party seeking to rely on a legal presumption must first establish the underlying or basic facts that trigger the presumption. Conversely, the opposing party must either disprove those basic facts or produce sufficiently persuasive evidence to rebut the presumed fact. Ultimately, understanding legal presumptions means understanding who bears the burden of proof, and in many cases, that is the key factor that determines whether a case is won or lost in court. Thank you for watching. If this content was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our upcoming legal content. For any legal questions or if you'd like us to cover a specific topic, feel free to leave a comment or contact us anytime.